with y'all, hitting y'all with a new video. As you can see by the title, it's not really car related, but I want to share it on this channel because it's my vlog channel. So, and plus I want to give my big brother a shout out. Like I said, he's not my blood brother. This is the introduction of the video. But like I said, I put surprise my big brother in the title, but it's not really a surprise anymore because I was supposed to have did this video last week when he was down, but because he stays in South Carolina, but he wasn't able to get by. So I had talked to him and we was on the phone. I told him I'm gonna show you what I got. Hold on, let me fix this camera first. Golly. Alright. But I was like, I'm gonna show, there's him probably texting, he probably on the way. But I was like, let me show you what I got for you. It's a surprise. So I posted a picture on Facebook and all that. And I mean, he was shocked. It hit him, but it's still not gonna hit him until I actually put it in his hand. So man, it's still gonna be a good video. I'm still gonna do the recording it for y'all, just as motivation and to show, you know, that I appreciate the people around me and stuff, to publicly show. And you know, he a car creator too, so that's why I say it's kind of car related. His channel down below, and it's in the description too. Y'all go subscribe to him. He films drag racing and big rim stuff. I mean, he just love car culture just like me. And like, we started out together and everything, and he actually has given me 2 cameras. He has given me 2 cameras over the course of my journey. Like, you know, started out borrowing them, then he upgraded to something different and told me I can have the old one, and then he moved to South Carolina, and he was like, just keep the camera, because he originally was gonna move back. And he ended up not just staying up there and stuff and opening up a business, a restaurant. So it's like, man, he told me to keep it, and I appreciate that, man. I appreciate him over the years and stuff, so that's why I'm doing this. And I just want to get a reaction on camera when I actually give it to him, put it in his hand. So man, it feel real good to do something good for people that you care about and everything, and people that's loyal to you and stay down, because they mean a lot. They mean a lot to me, man. A lot done changed since I came up on YouTube and stuff. A lot done changed as far as, you know, people around me and just people, period. How people see you, period. Like, when you become successful or you start doing your thing in life, period, you know, stuff gonna change, man. Your environment, your situation gonna change, and stuff that just been different for me. So I just want to show him I appreciate him and all that. So, man, hopefully the next clip we get, I'm gonna be getting the camera. So let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so back at home, as you can see, in the bathroom, my big brother, and like I said, this is not my blood brother in case people don't know, but man, blood will make us no closer. But he just texted me, he downstairs, he outside, he here. So I'm about to go ahead and give him the camera this time. We're gonna get his reaction. And like I said, even though he already know, but I'm gonna give him the camera, man, and, you know, kind of tell y'all really in detail about his movement and why I'm doing this and all of that. So, man, let's go get his reaction and see what he's talking about. Yo, there you go, look. There you go, brother.
Alright, well, I appreciate this.
There you go, man. Like, look, I told him, I said, you already know.
Oh, yeah.
But
you already know what it is.
But
OSK Media.
OSK Media, like I said, link is in the description, man. But so we won't get to reaction on camera. Like I said, I told them already, y'all, on Facebook, but still, it ain't nothing like just putting it in your hands, though.
I got it. Hey, all the videos y'all see, that's the iPhone. So, roll with the big dogs now, man.
Yeah, it's in his hands now, so hey, it's going down, man. Y'all see?
I've been gone for 8 years, no, probably 10 years, something like that, man. But hey, we back now. We back on it.
It's time. It's go time now, man.
Make it happen now,
it's definitely go time.
Hey,
so
I'm trying to be a full-time YouTuber. That's all I'm trying to do, man.
Look, what we said by next year, before the end of next year.
Man, I'm gone.
Before the end of next year, y'all, he's gonna be full-time.
Full-time YouTuber.
I want y'all to help him out too. Like, subscribe. Really go subscribe, cause we do the same type of content. He was just at Darlington Thursday.
I went at Thursday. Yeah.
Thursday, he was at Darlington Drag with Mike Hill event. So
yeah,
go check his channel out. He gonna, and y'all see, look, it about to be real crispy, man. It's about to be real crispy.
4K.
4K.
I appreciate this, boy. Tell me.
Oh yeah, man.
Man.
Yeah, y'all.
That's right. Hey, I know this is one of your top cameras, boy.
I know, that's why I'm telling them, look, I downgraded. Like, I downgraded. That camera better than the one I'm shooting on right now, y'all. So I downgraded, but I told him.
Yeah, one of his top cameras and he gave it to me, but you know, we've been rocking for a long time. Man.
A long time, so that's what I tell him. It been a real long time. Like I said, we've been together. Like I said, he gave me. I was telling them, you gave me 2 cameras.
Yep.
He gave me 2 cameras, man. Like,
I forgot about the first one, the HD joint, right?
Yeah.
I forgot about that one.
Yeah, he gave me the little, like it was a little kind of handheld at first. Then he gave me the big boy.
Yeah.
And I mean, he like just keep it, man. So
yeah,
that's what I said. He got GoPro, all that stuff. So
yeah, already. Man. He gave me all that already.
It's gonna be top quality. So y'all make sure to subscribe, man. And like I said, OSK Media on Instagram.
Yep.
And OSK Media on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe. I just want to do this video on the vlog channel. Y'all see we in the Camaro. Look, hey, Big Bro, we gotta get you in the Camaro too.
Man, hey, I ain't gonna drive it though.
We gotta get you in the Camaro.
Hey, I do a ride reaction. I ain't driving this thing, but I'm telling you.
It's crazy, man. Y'all see, it's still on jack stand, but at the time you watching this video, the car is on the ground. I say that the car is on the ground at the time y'all seeing this video. Called the transmission is in the car. I just ain't.
Okay.
I ain't took it out jack stand, but the car is done, y'all. So ride reaction coming, but like I said, I want to share this with y'all, share this moment with y'all too.
Hey, where's my wife at, man? She a YouTuber too.
Yeah, see, we got the family, man. We all family, so they the wives socializing and stuff.
Okay. I can't plug your channel in there.
Yeah, look, y'all, literally all of us. We all family. We all got YouTube. Like,
yeah, man.
His wife got a channel. My wife actually got a review channel, but she ain't got it started. Our kids got channels. All of our kids got channels. Y'all like this? Y'all first time seeing them on the. They're my little niece, and that's my little girl Michelle. This the other one, Tina, and my 2 right there. Look. But yeah, we all got channels. The wives, they going in the house, have a social hour.
Yeah.
But yeah, and more to come, y'all. More to come. So y'all make sure to follow. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Folks that been in the game, you know, they know who I am. You know?
Yeah. That's what I want to say.
Yeah,
if y'all really been following a long time from the day one, then y'all already know him.
Yeah.
Cause he really OG in especially the big rim game. Cause that's where we started.
Yep.
And the first setup and rate DVDs with me and Mark.
Yep.
The first DVD with me and Mark. I was telling them when you went to South Carolina, you actually opened up a restaurant.
Yeah.
So like I said, he opened up a restaurant, Fruitful Souls, and like we just businessman.
Food truck.
Yeah, he got the food truck. Got the food truck now, so he already a businessman. But said he took a break from YouTube, from handling his offline businesses. So now he back on YouTube. I like, well, it's go time. I'm gonna help him out as much as possible, and we're gonna shine together. So
oh yeah, we're gonna make it happen, man.
So yeah, man, that's it.
About to make it happen.
Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I just want to share this moment with y'all, and we out.